Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new on my channel, you are welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, we are going to be doing this very simple and cute gele style, and all you need to achieve this gele is just your ashoke and pin. So the first thing you need to do is to create some pleats on your gele. Then you place it properly on your head. You tuck in the shorter hand of your gele and you twist the longer hand. So once you are done twisting the longer hand, you wrap it around your head. You are likely not to be able to wrap it around the second time, depending on the length of your gele. So continue twisting your gele and make sure you don't twist it completely. So once you are almost done twisting the gele, you pin it. So you place the second twist properly on the first one and you pin it. So once you are done doing that, you can turn your gele inside if the wrong side is facing the front. Then you create the style. It is very simple. Just hold it at this end, you pin it down, then you fold it a little bit at the other end and pin it down. So once you are done pinning it, the next thing is to arrange your gele. You style it properly. Push it back a little bit if you want, and you continue styling your gele. Just style it to your satisfaction. So you continue styling your gele until you are satisfied. So make sure the back is also well arranged. So that is it. We are done styling her gele. You guys can see it is very simple. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.